Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm the safe mode label at the corner so you know the phone actually booted that way. First, remove any case and inspect volume keys. A jammed key is a common cause and mechanically forces safe mode. Next, use the power menu to restart the device. Tap power and choose Restart, because a simple reboot often clears the temporary safe mode flag and returns normal operation once the button issue is resolved. Once done with the basic restart, focus on software causes. Uninstall any app you installed or updated right before safe mode appeared, because a misbehaving app can force limited boot. Reboot after removals to test. Make sure accessibility shortcuts and recently enabled system services are off, since some settings toggle safe-like behavior. Also check developer options for options that affect boot or screen state. Disabling suspect toggles and then restarting helps isolate and remove the software trigger. If safe mode persists, power off fully and boot normally while making sure you do not press any buttons during startup. A stuck button during boot reinstates safe mode. If phones still won't exit, back up your data and perform a factory reset from settings to remove deep configuration errors. As an advanced troubleshooting step, boot to recovery and wipe cache partition. If hardware faults like a broken volume key remain, take the device to service so they.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.